Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover a forgotten Gmail password. First, open a web browser and go to the Gmail sign-in page. Enter your Gmail address, then click Next on the password screen. Click on the Forgot Password option. Google will now start the recovery process and provide you with different options. In my case, it gives an account recovery option where I need to tap a number on my phone where the account is logged in. You can change this to another method by clicking on I don't have my phone or choose another way. If you have access to your recovery phone number, Google may send a verification code by SMS or call. Enter the verification code when prompted to continue. If you do not have access to your phone number, select Try another way to use a recovery email or answer security questions. Since this is a new account created for tutorial purposes, those options are not available. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide accurate information to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be asked to create and confirm a new password for your Gmail account. This completes the recovery process. If you cannot recover the account immediately, Google may ask you to wait and try again later, which is normal for security reasons. And that's it. We just learned how to recover a forgotten Gmail password using Google's account recovery process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.